Oh, it just disconnects already?
Look, I'm getting arrested.
Are you joking?
But either way, good shot on the first one. It was a good shot. It's hard to do that when someone's moving.
A Florida deputy is on routine patrol when he observed a bicycle violation and initiates a traffic stop, and the chase is on. While the bike and patrol car are moving almost parallel, the deputy rolls down his window and deploys his taser twice. One probe makes contact, but is not effective enough to disable the suspect. After a short foot chase and a check by paramedics, the suspect is arrested. On the way to jail, the deputy calls the defendant's fiancée so they can have a heart-to-heart talk. Leave a comment with your thoughts. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe below. Thanks for watching.
Kimball and Conway wet nail on a bike. Stop the bicycle. .336 Central subject failed to deployment. I'll be out behind the Gulf Station.
I didn't do nothing wrong. Why you chasing me, man? I didn't do nothing wrong. I swear to God. Please, I swear. I'm sorry. I can't catch my breath. I'm not gonna do anything. Please, sir. Please, I'm sorry. I'm not gonna do anything. I did not mean. Are you scared to tell me I didn't do anything wrong, man? Please.
I was trying to stop you.
Why would it happen?
Because your bicycle has no lights attached to it. Okay, well, you took off on me after I tried to pull you over.
I didn't know what you were. I didn't even see your lights.
Bullshit, you turned around and looked straight at me. Anything in here that's gonna poke, stick, prod, or hurt me?
I might have it's a clean syringe. I might have one. You know what I mean?
Where's your cartridge?
I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry, I'm probably not. Oh, it just disconnects already?
Yeah. Yeah, it just disconnected on me.
There's the end of one of the wires.
I'm sorry? Nothing illegal. No, I have a clean. I told him I have a clean rig that's never been used, and it's out of the bag. Up higher. Right about where your hand is.
Oh, yeah, man. You definitely, you got whacked by one, but I don't...
Yeah, but it didn't stick. You know what I'm saying? I would have folded up like a box. But either way, good shot on the first one. It was a good shot. It's hard to do that when someone's moving, you know?
Yeah, fair shot.
That's respect.
That's fair. Well,
Friend.
good news is that the needle didn't test for meth.
No.
The bad news is it popped for fentanyl.
I don't do opiates. I swear to God, it can't. Come on, please, sir. I swear to God, it doesn't.
That was the first test that I ran on it.
Look, please run another. Friend, I don't do opiates. I swear to God, I don't.
Did you get the needle from someone else, or?
No, it's out of a bag. My bike and everything's gonna be taken. Like,
is she gonna answer it if we called it?
Yeah.
All right, what's the number?
Please, baby, pick up, please.
Hello.
Tina.
Yes.
Baby, I'm getting arrested. I'm so sorry. I don't want to do this to you.
Are you joking?
No, a police officer got behind me. I saw bright lights. I freaked out. I didn't have any drugs on me. I had in my bag. I had like a clean rig. He said it tested positive for fentanyl, which it obviously can't. But I didn't know who was behind me. I thought it was a truck. I was coming to see you. I went to Metro to pay my bill. I paid my bill. I was coming up to see you at work, and I thought I was gonna get hit by a truck, so I sped up and pulled off. And by then it was, you know, he had his lights on, and I freaked the fuck out. You know, I didn't have any drugs on me. I didn't have any weapons. I'm getting arrested, and I'm sorry, man. I was coming to see you. I love you.
You're serious?
I'm so sorry, baby. I know this f***s everything up. And I just bought you a $1,400 ring, and your mom or dad has it. You can see it if you want. I know no one's gonna bomb me out, and I'm sorry. I know we're supposed to move into that house Friday, and I've ruined all that. And I love you. Have a Merry Christmas, and take care of.
Just call me when you're in there. Don't not call. I will get money on my phone right away. Do you know my number?
Look. Yeah, I
You know my number.
Yeah, I know it.
769.
I'm gonna see if I have a bond.
Of course I am, and I will get you out. Do you have your money on you?
I have a couple $100.
That's all you have, or that's all you have on you?
That's all I have on me. And Wilfredo, my boss, he owes me about $150. So that's, I mean, I got 300. Hey, look, if you get a hold of my boss, okay, he's on Messenger. Wilfredo's, he will bomb me out. He'll help. He told me he would if that ever happened.
All right.
But look, baby, listen to me. I'm sorry. I was coming to see you. I couldn't call you because I just paid the bill. I love you. And I know we've been struggling lately, but I'm so sorry. I didn't do anything wrong, man. And you know I don't do fucking fentanyl. That's bullshit. Baby,
I love you.
I love you, and I'm sorry.
I know.
Tell I said hi, and I'll see you. Sweet dreams.
You please call me
I will.
769.
Everything's gonna be okay. Look at that ring
Good.
tonight,
Want adult
okay?
mail?
I love you. Bye.
I love you.